today we'll be doing a double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop CC. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share our content, guys. So this is our image that we're going to do double exposure on. So what we need to do, we need to take away this background, and nothing quicker and better to make a selection with than the magic wand tool. So select your magic wand tool and select the background and press delete to delete your background from the image, guys. Alright, great. So what you're going to do, go to your move tool, select your document and drag it to the canvas that you're going to use to do the double exposure on. Alright, so what we're going to do, you want to scale up your image onto your canvas. So just hold on shift and just scale it up to the size that you want and center it. Alright, guys, so to let a double exposure pop, guys, you really can't use colored. Alright, so I'm gonna make my image to be black and white. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna go down to the bottom of your layer tab to your adjustment layer. Alright, you're gonna click on it and select black and white to get that black and white effect, guys. Great, superb. Click this icon to clip it onto your layer. Alright, guys, beautiful. Alright, so you need your image now, so find your image wherever it is. I opened everything that I'm going to use in Photoshop already, so it's right next to my image. Alright, so I'm going to drag my image onto the canvas that we are working with. I want to scale up this image so it will fill his head, because we only double expose is ear. Alright, guys, perfect. So click the tick button and right click, create clipping mask. Beautiful. So you see you got that effect in the image that we had before. Alright, beautiful. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna select a mask layer, right down to the layers tab, and right beside the effects, you're gonna click on the mask, the add layer mask. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, select our brush to brush out the image that is in our layer. Perfect. So we're getting it now, guys. Perfect. Alright, because I only want the ear to be selected, I'm gonna just select the ear right here, guys. Alright, and to make it even pop more, you could just grab a dark background. I already uploaded one already, so select a dark background, guys. Make your image pop more. Alright, guys, so this is double exposure effect. You can do it with a lot of things, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share our image, guys.